Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Alright, you guys, got on the first one. Got him on the smart pearl young. Gotta do it. Alright guys, got him on the smart pearl young. Nice fat little rascal. Let's get him back in the water. Wow, not bad, not bad. Am I still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. Okay, you guys, just got on the, I don't know, third one, I guess. Third one, I think. Fat little rascals, man. You guys look like they're already trying to spawn or do something. So, look at that. Nice little rascal. Let's get them back in the water. Look like these guys already trying to spawn a little bit, man. Young as they are. Oh, wow. Get out of here. Got them on the red and black, young. Like they're already trying to spawn. Shit, thick little rascal, man. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. I can't get no closer, y'all, but let's get her back in the water. Yeah, it's not bad at all, man. Oh, got you. What in the world? Oh, snap. Nice.